Hi everybody, this is the creator of Music Demixer. I have recently dramatically redesigned the website, and this is just a quick walkthrough of how it works now. So as usual, visit freemusicdemixer.com. Now scroll down, you will find the demixer box right here. You can choose the stems you want, the output stems, and the quality. Notice that a bunch of them are locked, piano, guitar, and higher qualities. Those are for subscribers only. There is an advanced drop-down where you can pick more memory to make it go faster. And there's an included guide. I welcome you to read through this guide. It shows you how to check the memory on your computer. On the next page, you will be shown your weekly demixing limit for free users. You have 3 per week. And you could pick a file or a folder. Now, if you're a subscriber, you go to login, you enter your billing email, and you activate your subscription, and now you have access to everything. High quality guitar stems, and you now have unlimited demixes. Alright, now we pick a song, start job, the AI model files are downloaded, and the job begins. It's pretty much that simple, and